U.S. citizenship application costs. This is Fred Wall, the Visa Coach, and I work personally with you and your partner to prepare your application and to guide you through the entire immigration process. Now here is the Visa Coach Minute. I'm going to cut to the chase with concise answers to, well, frequently asked questions. And today's question is, what are the costs to apply to become a U.S. citizen? Okay? Well, let's see who's eligible. First of all, the spouse of a U.S. citizen may apply to become a U.S. citizen, him or herself, after 2 years and 9 months of permanent residency. A lawful permanent resident who is, well, not married to a U.S. citizen must wait for 5 years of permanent residency before applying. And the process to become a U.S. citizen is called, well, naturalization. The fees to apply for naturalization are paid to USCIS. The fees as of April 1st, 2024 are either $760 or $380. The difference is based upon what your combined household income is. If your household income is less than 4 times the poverty level, you are eligible for the discounted fee of $380. But if your household income is over, well, then you pay the full fee of $760. This was Fred Wall, the Visa Coach. Now, click here to sign up for our monthly newsletter and receive bonus ebooks. Here for YouTube's recommendations. Here for the full playlist of recent videos on U.S. citizenship. And here to subscribe to our channel.